This is February the 24th, and we're in Linton Bay, Panama. Lots of boats here. They've been kind of waiting out some bad weather for about 3 weeks. In the process, this small sailboat has drug anchor and it's gone up on the reef. I don't know if you can see from this distance, but brown spots are all reefs. There's a little bit of broken water there on the reef right there. Anyway, he's drug anchor, doesn't have any chain out, just rode. So we're going to go over there and see if we can help abandon boat. There's nobody there, hasn't been there for 2 weeks. So we'll see if we can get the boat off the reef.
Careful, baby.
We got a big coral head here, and the road is across that, so you might have cut his rope. So he's definitely on the reef, and we're going to see if we can get him off of the reef. And it looks like he's the belly of the boat is laying on the reef here too. So we can get in the water and see what we can do. A nice Samaritan local has come along. He's going to pull it out. The anchor has anchor rode has chafed off, and therefore that's why she went free. Just rode up and down too many times on the coral head. JOANNE is trying to find the anchor itself and the remaining part of the road. Yeah, there's 2 reefs. So we got it off the first reef, got it in a floating spot, and then it's on another reef. And JOANNE's sitting here with the old anchor. You can see the boat is rolling around on top of a coral head there. And it looks like it's off. Yeah. So we're going to have to tie up a new, he uses old line. His anchor seems to be well set. It's just that the road got up on some coral head and got a hole in it during the heavy wind. We've been having like 20 to 25, 28 mile an hour wind, so it's been quite a bit of wind. This is our spot.
Okay, Bill is tying up the Robyn is the name of his boat. Cute little boat. A little Antigua flag back here that it had the other day, and we fixed it because it was getting torn up. And there's Spano helping out. Yay! The name of his boat is the Good Pastor. Alright. And there's Ultra anchored out over there. So Robyn is our boat neighbor. Bill! Yay, Bill! Okay, we're signing off. Ultra, Bill, and JOANNE. Another rescue. Yeah. Okay, the line is now secure. Here we go.
About 20 foot of his anchor road was cut by sawing up and down on the reef. So we cut at the bitter end, so he's about 20 feet shorter. But the wind is blowing an unusual direction, and he's on a reef again. So we're going to shorten up maybe another 10 feet. The anchor seems to be well dug in. Don't know who owns it, and doesn't seem to have a lot of people care. So we're going to take up about another 10, 15 feet of road and get him off the reef one more time.